Hello everyone, today we will be learning about the operations of adjust vector, point to line, line to points, line to polygon, and polygon to line. The adjust vector function is used to perform arbitrary scaling, rotation, movement, and other operations on polygon objects. After activating the adjust vector function, select the vector object that needs adjustment in the 3D view to form a bonding rectangle. To move the vector object, simply place a mouse on any dashed edge of the bonding rectangle. The dashed edge will turn green to indicate selection. Then drag the mouse to move the vector object to the desired position. To perform a proportional scaling or reversal operation on the vector object, place the mouse on any of the four corners of the bonding box. The corners turn green to indicate selection. Then drag the mouse to scale the object proportionally. Dragging in the opposite direction can simultaneously perform the reversal operation. To perform a non-proportional scaling on the vector object, place the mouse on the key points of the four sides of the bonding box, and then drag the mouse according to the selected side to perform one-sided scaling. If you want to rotate the vector object, place the mouse on the rotation points of the bounding box and move the mouse according to your needs. Double-click to finish adjusting the vector object. The point to line function mainly converts the z-axis direction of the point vector object into a line vector object, either forward, backward, or both. Select the point vector object to be converted so that the selected point vector object is highlighted, and then press Enter to confirm the selection. In the pop-up dialog box, set the corresponding length of line and direction of the conversion up or down or both. For example, if you want to grow a line upward from this point by 15 meters, select up. Similarly, if you want to grow a line downward, select down. If you want to grow a line both upward and downward by 15 meters, select both. Then select the target layer to store the converted line vector object. After setting the parameters and options, click Confirm to convert the point vector object into a line vector object. Click Cancel if you do not want to convert. The line to points function converts the two ends of the line vector object into point vector objects and converts the projection point of the center of the minimum bonding box on the line into a point vector object. Select the line vector object to be converted so that the line vector object is highlighted, and then press Enter to confirm the selection. In the pop-up dialog box, select the layer where the converted point vector object will be located. Click Confirm to complete the conversion, or click Cancel to cancel the conversion. We can see that the converted point vector object includes not only the endpoints of the target line, but also a point, which is the projection of the center point of the minimum bonding box of the line vector object on the line. The line to polygon function can generate corresponding polygon outlines with a certain width for any line layer. There are two ways to perform the conversion. One is to convert a single vector line individually, and the other is to convert a whole line layer in batches. First, for a single line vector object, select the Select option in the parameter interface and set the width of the polygon based on the selected line object. Then select the target polygon layer where the converted polygon will be stored. Expand the width to the left or right or both sides to generate a polygon object. If the Delete Original Object option is checked, the selected line object will be deleted by default. After setting the options, select a vector line, and the polygon style can be previewed in real time. Click Accept to convert and generate the polygon. Clicking on it allows you to view the information of the polygon vector object. Next, I will introduce the batch conversion operation based on the vector line layer. First, select the batch mode. Then select the line layer to be converted in the line layer option. and select the target polygon layer where the converted polygons will be stored in the target polygon layer option. The settings for width and position are the same as for a single object, but there is no preview display in batch mode. Click Start to generate the polygons in batches. You can display the converted polygon vector objects by hiding the line vector object layer, and click on them to view their information. The polygon to line function can convert polygon vector objects into line vector objects, either for a single polygon or in batches for multiple polygons. For a single polygon vector object, select the Select option in the parameter interface, and then select the target line layer where the line vector objects split from the polygon vector objects will be stored in the target line layer option. If the Delete Original Object option is checked, the selected polygon objects will be deleted by default. After selecting the options, click on a vector polygon to complete the conversion. You can view the converted line vector objects by hiding the polygon vector object layer and click on them to view their information. For batched conversion operations based on the vector polygon layer, first select the batch mode, then select the polygon layer to be converted in the polygon layer option, and select the target line layer where the converted line vectors will be stored in the target line layer option. Click Start to generate the line vectors in batches. Similarly, you can display the converted line vector objects by hiding the polygon vector object layer and click on them to view information. These are the options and explanations for the adjust vector, line to polygon, polygon to line to points, and point to line functions. Thank you for watching.